Alright, let me introduce you to the VEVOR workout sandbag. Now, this one comes with a couple bags. You got a 50 pounder and a 25 pound. Now, there is no weight. You're going to have to provide your own sand or your own pebbles or whatever it is that you're going to be adding to it, cement, whatever you need. Now, the bag comes with a lot of zippers. It has a lot of handles. It's easy to set up.
So here's a VEVOR 25 to 75 pound bag. This is a 25 pounder. This is 50 pound. Combining, you get 75. All you have to do is fit it up with some sand. Has many handles. Squat with it. Put it on your back.